Welcome back to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we're going to show you how to view Facebook without an account. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open any browser on your system. It could be Chrome, Firefox, or even Edge, whatever you're comfortable with. Step 2. Now, in the search bar, type facebook.com and hit enter. Once the page loads, copy the Facebook link from the address bar. Step 3. Next, if you're already logged into Facebook, go ahead and log out. To do that, click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the page. Step 4. In the drop-down menu, you should see the Logout option. Click on it to log out of your account. Step 5. Now open a new tab in your browser. Step 6. Paste the link you copied earlier into the new tab's address bar and hit enter. Step 7. When the pop-up appears asking you to connect with people on Facebook, simply close it. You don't need to log in or connect with anyone. Step 8. And now you can browse the Facebook profile you wanted to view without having an account. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.